Welcome to our video on lowering your blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure is a common health concern that affects many people. But did you know that certain vitamins and nutrients can help you naturally lower your blood pressure? Today we'll discuss the top 7 essential vitamins and nutrients you need to know about. First up, we have potassium. This important mineral can help lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in your diet. Foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach are great sources of potassium. Next, we have magnesium. This essential mineral is important for healthy blood flow and can help relax blood vessels. Almonds, spinach, and avocado are all great sources of magnesium. Third, we have calcium. This mineral is important for healthy blood pressure and can be found in dairy products like milk and yogurt, as well as in leafy greens like kale and collard greens. Fourth, we have vitamin D. This important vitamin is necessary for healthy bones, but it also plays a role in regulating blood pressure. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, as well as from fortified dairy products and certain types of fish. Fifth, we have fiber. Foods high in fiber can help lower blood pressure and reduce your risk of heart disease. Some great sources of fiber include beans, lentils, and whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. Sixth, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Some great sources of omega-3s include fatty fish like salmon, nuts, and seeds like chia and flaxseed. And finally, we have garlic. This flavorful herb has been shown to help lower blood pressure in some people. You can add garlic to your meals or take a garlic supplement if you prefer. 7 essential vitamins and nutrients to help you lower your blood pressure naturally. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can make simple and delicious changes that can have a big impact on your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.